Hello guys, welcome back to our video part 5. Let's begins the show. The DevOps lifecycle enables business agility by integrating development and operations processes. It typically includes continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and continuous monitoring. This iterative approach allows for faster delivery of software updates, quicker response to customer feedback, and improved overall agility in adapting to changing market demands. 1. Continuous development involves continuously developing and refining code, often using Agile methodologies. This phase emphasizes collaboration between developers and other stakeholders to define requirements, prioritize tasks, and plan iterations. 2. Continuous testing. Automated testing is integrated throughout the development process to ensure that code changes meet quality standards and do not introduce regressions. This includes unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. 3. Continuous integration (CI). Developers frequently integrate their code changes into a shared repository, where automated builds and tests are triggered. CI ensures that code changes are regularly validated and integrated into the main code base, reducing integration issues and enabling faster feedback loops. 4. Continuous deployment (CD). Once code changes pass automated tests, they are automatically deployed to production or staging environments. CD automates the deployment process, reducing manual intervention and minimizing the time between code changes and their availability to users. 5. Continuous monitoring. Real-time monitoring tools track application performance, infrastructure health, and user experience metrics. This enables rapid detection of issues, proactive troubleshooting, and continuous optimization of system performance. 6. Feedback loop. Throughout the DevOps lifecycle, feedback loops are essential for driving continuous improvement. Feedback can come from automated tests, user feedback, monitoring data, and retrospectives, among other sources. This feedback informs future development efforts and helps prioritize improvements based on business value. By implementing the DevOps lifecycle, organizations can achieve greater agility, shorter time to market, and higher quality software products, ultimately leading to improved customer satisfaction and competitive advantage. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like to love these video then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care. Last but not least, knowledge is a power.